Welcome to my channel if you are new, and welcome back if you are a returning subscriber or just a returning viewer. Go ahead and press that subscribe button because I will be teaching you guys how to install a wig, and I also have other videos installing wigs, and I also do nails. So if you're interested in nails and hair videos, you can go over to my page. Again, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment anything that you want to see as far as hairstyles. Especially as a beginner, I do consider myself still a beginner, even though I've been doing this for years. It still feels like I'm a beginner because it's a lot of things that I don't do. Alright, so now we got that out of the way, let's go ahead and get into this video. Today I will be installing a wig that I have worn, I would say about 3 times already. Once I wash the glue off, it is back to new. It is shedding a little bit, but like the frontal still looks fine. So as you can see in the beginning, I am not using the full bulk cap method. I'm just doing the cap, putting it right there at the edge. Makeup, I wiped it with 91% alcohol to get the oil from my forehead, and I'm using glue. So this glue is by somebody who is from my family's hometown, South Carolina, a small town called Lancaster. She does stay, I want to say, like near the Columbia area. I might put her TikTok down below, but her glue is pretty good. I'm not going to say it is a matchup to Erica J's. Honestly, I don't think anybody hair glue is up there with Erica J's that I've tried. I know there are plenty of different hair glues out there, but as far as Erica J, hers will keep me held down like pretty good. Like if you're looking for something for like a quick little 2-3 days, this glue will get you right. But I will say Erica J glue will keep you on for a good week. And it also just depends on, who installs it or just like their technique. So when installing a wig, most of the time I use between 2 to 3 layers. I might on occasion use 4 layers. So when applying my wig, I do use thin layers. I feel like thin layers will make it easier to apply more layers. So if you're wanting to put on 3 to 4 layers, it wouldn't make sense to glob the layers on, just because you're thinking the more you put on, the stickier it's going to be. But if you're doing thick layers, it's going to take longer to dry, which means you're just going to be sitting there while certain parts of it is drying. Rather than putting on thin layers, it dries evenly all at the same time. Therefore, when it's time to put the wig on, you don't end up like me in this video where it looked like it was drying, but it really wasn't. But again, this is a trial and error. Again, I am still a beginner as far as lace fronts. I do things how they work for me. So if I'm able to do certain things that work for me that can help others, and y'all get to see my mistakes, then hey. I heard a girl once say she'd rather have too little than too much, and this really does matter. If you put too much glue on a lace front and you're having to wipe off the glue, ooh, that's going to be a mess. But if you have to go back and do stuff like this, easy. It's quick. You know where to put it. Once it's down, it's down. Again, let it dry. I don't know what I was thinking. I think I was just like, ready to get this over with. But don't do like me because you're going to end up like this. Now, if this is a look you're going for, then hey, by all means, do what I do. But honestly, this video is to show y'all that you can still turn a wig to look like this to the end result. Again, I did not do a end result video, and I apologize because I don't know what I be thinking. Sometimes I make videos and forget that I've made the video, so I just forget to show y'all the final product. So once you've done this, I'm not sure if I did it on camera, but I do always take some of my Got2b spray, spread it along the hairline, and then add my band. Let my band sit on between 5 to 10 minutes. If I'm doing something, it'll stay on for as long as I am doing the activity. But for this, it will make it easier if you are styling the hair. Go ahead and put that band on, style the hair, and then once you're done styling the hair, just take the band off. So here I am using my curler. This is probably a 1-inch. It looks like it could be a 1-inch or a 2-inch or a 1.5. I don't know these things. I just do hair. I don't really know about the hair tools. So once you are finished and you've styled the hair, you've taken the band off, and you don't want the white line that I have on my head right now, just take the same color of your skin or the same color that you use to put on the lace front and also on the ball cap. You'll just take that makeup and put it right at the parts where you don't want the little ashiness. I also forgot to add, when you are putting on the lace front and you're trying to get that perfect part down your head or side part, whichever one, or if you just want a flat surface to your head, use your hot comb. The hot comb is your best friend when you're wanting a flat surface, honestly. Y'all be wondering why y'all wigs be so bumpy? Because you didn't use your hot comb. Thank you guys for watching. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll catch y'all in my next video.